That's a lot. I didn't realize.
Your hair thick bad.
This is one?
Yes, it's thick.
I didn't
So
realize.
your name thick or rust. Jesus.
Oh my God!
Hey, quiet up there.
I thought it would be like much thinner.
Where's it?
Whoa.
Oh, bro, you're thinner. Stick.
Did you part it that
Beautiful.
small?
No, I section your hair small, but your hair still thick. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Bantu knot hairstyle. I've been seeing this hairstyle around a lot lately, but the one person who really inspired me to actually try it on my daughter, her channel is Chev B. Chev B is her channel. Her Bantu knot was really beautiful, beautiful. So anyhow, I am just separating the hair, parting the hair, and I'll be using elastic bands to hold the hair, and after that I will use extension, crochet in the extension, just crochet it in, and I'll be using it to twist the hair. You can use extension like braid it with, or you can just crochet it, just crochet it in and twist the hair along with the extension, and then kind of do that twirl to get that Bantu knot look. But yeah, that's the method I'm using, and I am just loving this hairstyle. But yeah, that's what I'm doing on her hair right now, and I will have a clip showing how I did it in slow motion. I will not speed it up, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you in my next video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up. Bye.
Yeah, it's a winter. It been snowing like the season. It's the winter. Baby, please give me no reason. It's the winter. My body getting freezing. It's the winter. Yeah. It's the winter. It been snowing like the season. It's the winter. Baby, please give me no reason. It's the winter. My body getting freezing. It's the winter. Yeah. I've been living this year. That is already the season. 몇 달의 감정에 휩싸여 living in prison. 갈 사람은 가고 남는 사람 남는 treason. 다시 차가운 공기가 우리 몸을 감싸 breathing. I'm feeling all this Christmas. 눈이 내 위에 앉아 내가 기다리는 Christmas. 너도 나를 원할까? Are we business? Are we Christmas? 우린 조금 다를까? 마음의 방향이 맞지 않는 건 참 아프니까. I've been loving this year. I've been hating this year. Flying this year, I've been crying this year. I don't wanna be so drowned tonight. I don't wanna be so drowned tonight. It's a winter. It been snowing like the season. It's the winter. Baby, please give me no reason. It's the winter. My body getting freezing. It's the winter. Yeah. It's the winter. It been snowing like the season. It's the winter. Baby, please give me no reason. It's the winter. My body getting freezing. It's the winter. Yeah. Fuck around and getting all the that's on me, baby. Loving all you got, but I'm hesitating. I be trying damn so hard, but you're still my baby. Why don't we just pull around and just love it, baby? Baby, 너도 나를 원한다면 우리 맞춰가. 일방적인 사이 아닌 너도 서로 알아가. 나만 맞추는 게 아니라 너도 더 맞춰가. 서로 원하는 건 같은데 왜 우린 다툴까? I mean I'm tryna pay, man you want me to pay. I mean I'm tryna pay, solving all that like hey. Go on a ride, let's skate. You ain't know nothing like shade. I've been so able to say, I'm just tryna be me. It's a winter. It been snowing like the season. It's the winter. Baby, please give me no reason. It's the winter. My body getting freezing. It's the winter. Yeah. Yeah, it's a winter. It been snowing like the season. It's the winter. Baby, please give me no reason. It's the winter. My body getting freezing. It's the winter. Yeah. It's the winter. It been snowing like the season. It's the winter. Baby, please give me no reason. It's the winter. My body getting freezing. It's the winter. Yeah. I've been living this year that is already the season. 몇 다른 감정에 휩싸여 living in prison. 갈 사람은 가고 남는 사람 남는 treason. 다시 차가운 공기가 우리 몸을 감싸 breathing. I'm feeling all this Christmas. 눈이 내 위에 앉아. 내가 기다리는 Christmas. 너도 나를 원할까? Are we business? Are we Christmas? 우린 조금 다를까? 마음의 방향이 맞지 않는 건 참 아프니까. I've been loving this year. I've been hating this year. Flying this year, I've been crying this year. I don't wanna be so drowned tonight. I don't wanna be so drowned tonight. It's a winter. It been snowing like the season. It's the winter. Baby, please give me no reason. It's the winter. My body getting freezing. It's the winter. Yeah. It's the winter. It been snowing like the season. It's the winter. Baby, please give me no reason. It's the winter. My body getting freezing. It's the winter. Yeah. Fuck around and getting all this on me, baby. Loving all you got, but I'm hesitating. I be trying damn so hard, but you're still my baby. Why don't we just pull around and just love it, baby? Baby, 너도 나를 원한다면 우리 맞춰가. 일방적인 사이 아닌 너도 서로 알아가. 나만 맞추는 게 아니라 너도 더 맞춰가. 서로 원하는 건 같은데 왜 우린 다툴까? I mean I'm tryna pay, man you want me to pay. I mean I'm tryna pay, solving all that like hey. Go on a ride, let's skate. You ain't know nothing like shade. I've been so able to say, I'm just tryna be me. It's a winter. It been snowing like the season. It's the winter. Baby, please give me no reason. It's the winter. My body getting freezing. It's the winter. Yeah.
Since my hair got cut and dyed, and I've had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind. I've tried, and his laugh is just as soft as yours, smiling just as wide. He could be what I like, and his voice is just as dark as yours, freckles just as light. Could be what I desire. Still feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied. Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. Seven nights since my hair got cut and dyed. And I've had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind. I've tried, and his laugh is just as soft as yours, smiling just as wide. He could be what I like, and his voice is just as dark as yours, freckles just as light. Could be what I desire. Still feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied. Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. Seven nights since my hair got cut and dyed. And I've had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind. I've tried, and his laugh is just as soft as yours, smiling just as wide. He could be what I like, and his voice is just as dark as yours, freckles just as light. Could be what I desire. Still feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied. Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes.